What is up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give you guys a quick review on this Passion Twist hair. Y'all already know that I recently did the installation of this Passion Twist. And if you're considering buying it, I just want to let you guys know my opinion about it, my honest review about it, so that you could use that while you're making your purchase. Okay. So the hair is very pretty. Let's just start off by saying that. It is very pretty. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. I got a lot of compliments from this hair. I love it. I love the look of it. I just love it. And y'all already know that I did the regular Passion Twist. I had my experience with that too, which is why I'm going to be doing this video, so that I could compare the regular Passion Twist with the Crochet Passion Twist, to let you guys know it's not much of a difference. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing. The hair does tangle, and it reminds me kind of like of faux locks, how it kind of catches in everything. Like if you're wearing necklaces, it'll probably like catch in your necklace. If you're wearing like a shirt with a button at the back, it'll kind of catch in the button, like the hair will be in the button. So it's that type of hair. It does, let me show you, it does tangle, like it I don't know if you could see, but they stick together. I don't know how else to explain it. They stick together, like they tangle in each other. So I find myself constantly taking them apart, but then I realize taking them apart just makes it worse, because when I take them apart, they leave like little fuzzies, like, let me see, like these. They leave like these little fuzzy stuff, and yeah, it just ends up making the hair a lot frizzy. But that's okay, because it's Passion Twist. It's supposed to have a certain level of frizz to it, you know? So I'm okay with the frizz. I'm okay with the tangles, because it looked good. And that's all that matters. At the end of the day, once it looked good, that's all that matters to me. Now, if you worry about all these other things, then maybe this ain't for you. Another thing that I noticed, I tried to take out one, and I couldn't take out the thing for nothing. Like I took out I reversed what I did to put it in, and it just didn't want to come out. So I already know that when I am taking this out, I am just going to be cutting all of them off. Like, I already know that's what's going to happen, because it seems as if the hair like tangles into itself, if that makes sense. Like, it tangles into itself. So maybe some of them will be easy to come out, but some of them, it like tangle into each other. So the easy way to solve that problem is just snip, cut it off from right here. Just cut it off, and then like unravel your hair and take it out, and you'll be straight. But that's my review so far on this hair. It's still pretty, even with all the frizz, girl. Even with all the frizz. Even with all the frizz, it's still pretty. It's still long. It's still it's still awesome. I still love it. So yeah, so I just wanted to come through, give you guys this quick review. If you enjoyed this review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't checked out my Passion Twist installation, go ahead and check out that video. If you want to see my regular Passion Twist, where I just did the regular Passion Twist in my hair and not crochet, I will leave a link to that video down below. And that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. I know y'all haven't been seeing me often. Your girl working on some stuff, you know, but I will be here every week sometime. So make sure you have your notification bell checked, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.